Hello everybody, how you guys doing? My name is Juan Hippolyte, and today I'm just going to attempt to answer your questions, which is what do I think about Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups when it comes to the Haitian community. So what I think they're great. Facebook is a way to connect with other Haitians that, if you didn't have that platform, you would never be able to connect with them. Therefore, I'll say use it. Don't expect too much from the Haitian community. Like, don't expect they're gonna support what you're doing. Right away. It'll take time. So Haitians, from what I've seen, from what I've experienced so far, they don't really quick to jump on ideas and say, hey, let's do it, or let me back you up. So yeah, if you have ideas and you wanna share them with other Haitians, yeah, I'll say use Facebook to do that. That's a good platform, but don't expect too much support. All right. And WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp groups are fine. So the idea is it's the same thing. It's give you a platform to connect with other Haitians, to talk, to work in groups. But at the same time, it's not gonna be easy. Your ideas probably is not gonna be viewed as the way you see things. Because different people are gonna have different opinions, which is fine, which is good. But at the same time, the speed you wanna move, with your project or with your ideas, it's not, it's not gonna be easy if you wanna get things done. Then you trying to pass it through a WhatsApp groups where you have probably 800 people or 200 people, we have different ideas, and whatever ideas you come with, somebody always gonna have a different opinion about it, which is good. But at the same time, if it was just you, if it were just you, with 2 other people or 3 other people, you could get that things done in a month. But with the WhatsApp groups, it can take years, and years, to get it done. And the second thing I'll say is that it's, when it comes to the Haitian community, from what I've seen, from what I've experienced, they don't have, I'm not gonna say they don't have the financial means, but I'll say did not easily or ready to spend money, on your ideas or taking actions, to get things done. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Meaning, let me explain. I was in probably 2 or 3 different groups on WhatsApp, and probably for a good long year or 2 years. Then I'll be say, hey, let's do something. Let's get something done. Let's put our money, let's put our money together and let's get something done. And sometimes I'll say, hey, I'll put $1,000 down. Who wants to, put the money together and get something done? And I think only one time I had one person say, yeah, I'll put my money with you, and get something done. But those groups will have 100 people, probably over 100, over 200 people, And when it comes to money, nobody wants to spend money, but everybody has an opinion. Everybody has an advice on how things should be done. But nobody is willing to put their money or to invest their money out there, to create businesses or to help Haiti get out of poverty. So with ideas on WhatsApp, sure, a lot of people are gonna give you good ideas. A lot of people are gonna give you feedback. They're gonna voice their opinion. But when it comes to get that money out of the pocket, to invest, to create businesses or to do something for Haiti, it's not gonna happen. Like I said, I spent about 2 years, on WhatsApp groups, talking to people, helping out, coaching, and great friends. But at the end of the day, nothing really happens because, like I said, people are not going to be willing to get their money out of the pocket to invest in your ideas or to invest in Haiti. It's not going to be that simple. So with that being said, if you have an idea and you want to do something for Haiti, I'll say, hey, get your money in, get your money straight. I get it done. Because if you're gonna wait on other people to to put their money, together with you, probably it's not gonna happen. I'll say 95%, 95% to 98%, it's not gonna happen. Because like I said, I've been trying to do that for like 2 years or 3 years. Never happened for me. So probably if you're lucky, it might. You may be in a group where people wanna, people have money, where they wanna get their money together to collectively to do something for Haiti. But it never happened for me. So for me, it was a bad experience. So I would say try it, but I wouldn't say spend too much time on it. If you're on a WhatsApp, if you are a part of a WhatsApp group and within 2 months or 3 months, people are not willing to put their money, I'll advise you to leave it because it's just a waste of your time. It's gonna be a waste of your time. Yep. Once again, my name is Wani Polite, and this is the message that I have for you concerning WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups. And until next time, we'll talk a bit more. Bye.